Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is August 16, 2025, Saturday. Medyo maulan lang, pero it's a good day pa rin naman. So today, bibisitahin tayo ng mga friends natin kasi we have two friends who's celebrating their birthday month. So since hindi tayo pwede lumabas, sila na lang ang pupunta dito. Quick house tour na rin tayo. So yan, kakasemento lang yan. Yan ang calamansi tree ng nanay ko. And then we have here yung grotto. And yan yung mine-maintain na garden ni mama. Okay, pasok tayo sa house. Tara. This is our living area. And ito yung chapel ni mama. Yan. Yan, she bought that sa Baclaran daw eh. And then meron tayong stairs papunta sa veranda sa taas. Here, we have our small dining. Tapos doon yung dining area pag may mga events. We have small room here para kay Ate Vanji yan. Then dito naman ang ating kitchen area. Dito ang ating dirty kitchen. Yan, garage. Tara, panik tayo sa taas. Yan. Puno-puno ng santo dito sa bahay. Yan, ating shoe rack. Graduation picture namin 4 magkakapatid. Check. This is my mom's room. Yan. O, diba? Lagi may santo. Hi guys. And then, ito naman yung dating room ko na kinonvert natin to walk-in closet namin. Yan. And then ito dati, open space lang to. So pinagawa natin ng mini kitchen. And then we have our own CR. Yan. Tapos ito din, dati lang likod to eh. Pero ngayon, yan. Small room na siya ng brother ko. Yan, then pasok tayo sa room ko. Dati tong malaking veranda eh. Tapos pinagawa na natin ang room. That's my life wall. Caleb, 1-year-old pa lang. Oh. So, dito ang working station ko. Yan, dyan. It's my bed, TV, sofa bed, mga pambahay. Ito yung best part niyan, guys. Yan, yung view na yan. So, tuwing 6 PM, andyan ang sunset. Sobrang ganda ng sunset dyan. So, baba na tayo ulit. Mamaya, darating na sila. Okay guys, andito na sila. Lalabasin natin sila. Yan yung mga buwisita natin. Ba't kayo nandito? Bumalik kayo doon.
Makikikain.
Hello! Welcome to my humble abode. Yes. Next may pag-grocery pa nga. Let's go!
Ay, doon mo pala sa ulan nila. Oo, kasi mainit dyan.
Go! Pasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Ito ang totoong bahay ni Kuya. Thank you! Sayin natin ang mga bida sa kusina. What's our menu for today, guys?
We have Shanghai.
And?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
And then we have the Bicol Egg Squiz.
Okay, time remaining, 45 minutes. Dumating na po yung special guest namin. Nakasisipag naman. That's my mom. Ma, kaway-kaway. Ako, Shanghai ba yun o cheese sticks?
Yan nga sabi ko, bakit iba balot na yung cheese? Cheese stick pala.
Kalmahan nyo.
Ano bang luto? Para maka-dinner na si Papa.
Wait lang po. Wait lang, baby.
Na your pizza. Oh, talk to my vlog. Talk to my vlog. Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
Ano you don't know? That's circle. Oh, that's pepperoni.
Labas pa.
Unang may birthday. What are we playing today?
Teka lang.
Second birthday.
Okay guys, ito yung mga handa natin today. Meron tayong bacolod, caldereta, Shanghai spaghetti, cake.
Geography na to.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay. And go!
Happy birthday to you.
Sayahan nyo naman.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hello.
Birthday na.
Oh, sige. Ano naman?
One more na lang. Kahit sunod na lang.
Cindy ulit.
Ano ulit?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, birthday! What's the smallest country? Hindi naman. Yes! Tinuro ako sa Kay. Charas! Ako pala yung tinuro ako.
Siyempre, di pwede mawala ang videoke after ng kainan. So that's it guys for today. For today's vlog. Till next time, bye!